The confetti fell at midnight, closing out the 2018 Maryland General Assembly session. And with that comes some sweeping changes for our state. Political reporter Pat Warren explains the first new measures signed into law.
Public health and public safety were the headliners this session. Governor Hogan's last session in his first term in office.
This has been our most successful legislative session, and I believe it was a big win for the people of Maryland.
Today, landmark school safety legislation was signed into law, a measure that gained urgency when a Maryland student killed a classmate, wounded another, and killed himself. The bill includes training for school resource officers and assessment teams to provide intervention for students who may pose a threat.
As I've said before, no mom or dad should ever have to worry when they send their kids off to school in the morning whether or not their son or daughter is going to come home safely.
Also signed into law today, a measure to prevent skyrocketing health insurance costs for the Maryland Health Benefit Exchange, and bills addressing skin cancer and living donor transplants.
The Speaker and I have both gone through some pretty tough health battles, and I'm pleased this morning that we'll be signing the Speaker's bill, which establishes a tax credit for living organ donations.
Public safety issues were tackled this session. A new crime bill will be signed, and the governor is also considering a bill to establish a commission to investigate the Baltimore Gun Task Force. Lawmakers also passed a bill that could make Maryland the first state to require Facebook and other social media platforms to keep a record of all political ads. I'm Pat Warren reporting for WJZ. Now back to you.
Lawmakers also passed a ban on bump stocks and a plan for enforcing the law that prevents domestic violence offenders from owning guns.